Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. And I gotta smile because I got a box. I got a box. And if you're just a cruiser or a viewer, you don't know. But everybody else does. When there's a box, and that means when there's a box. I get so happy because I know there's something good inside. And it's a box. So, let's open it up and see what's inside. Cut like butter! Cut like butter! There you go. Goodbye. Okay, let's see what's inside. My gaming stuff is here. So, let's see what's inside the game. I'm old school, and up here somewhere, I'm gonna leave an older video. It's in my playlist called Kids, and it tells you all the kind of video games that I play, but they're all old school. I'm into Xbox. I really wish I had an Xbox One. But I got an Xbox 360. And it has about maximum game capacity that it holds. And I have a regular Xbox controller. And if you notice, I found these little knobs that goes on them. It helps with gripping when you're playing a game. And these knobs can fit on any PSP or any game system that has these. I got these from eBay. I paid like 50 cents for two. And then I waited for a month. And you can get these in any kind of color. So that's where I got these from. Then I got this case. And this case holds Xbox 360, Xbox One, PlayStation, old PlayStation. I do have an old PlayStation 2. I play drums and guitar and stuff like that. And I use it as karaoke. But it does hold this. And I got this at a store called T-Mart. They sell a lot of gadgets. And I go there sometimes to get gadgets. And that's where I got this at. And I happen to see on... Oh, I also got this. And this is the battery pack. I love these because you don't need batteries. You just put this in a charger. You charge it. It lasts for, oh my God, 5 hours or more on one charge. You normally get 2 of them. And the charger. I got that from T-Mart as well. But I'm pretty sure they sell them on eBay and everywhere else. Now let's see what's in this one. This came from, of course, the Smiley Face Amazon. And this is a skin that covers the whole game controller, because if your hands get wet from playing a lot of times, it's slippery. And that's what this is. They have it in, they take it out the packages. Have it in this color. And then they give you the knobs. 8. Alright, here's my remote. And I'm going to see how hard it is to put this on. Okay. So, seems like I slipped this into this hole right here. So, that's what I'm going to do. And then it seems like I just pulls this right over this section. Like that. And slip this in this sleeve over here. They seem pretty sturdy. I don't see them ripping. Okay. And then I move this up. And you gotta move the stuff around so it can fit in to the holes. I'm moving this here. And it's fitting really good. Going over my buttons. because that's the last thing you want. Don't want your buttons getting stuck. Voila. That's how it looks here. Now I'm going to put these buttons on to see if they're easy to go on. Now, just open it up, slip it on, and then make sure it's all around. There's a little bit. You want to make sure that they all the way down, because you don't want to play and then your hand slips off. There you go. Okay, this is how it looks. And this is the original Xbox. See the X? And look how good it fits. Okay. And on the back, fits nice. Get ready to play a game with it. It's nice and soft. It's the original Xbox. And then this is the imitation of the Xbox. You see there's no X here. And it fits great. Fits on here. It's not coming off. And look how nice it looks on this as well. There's the imitation. And there's the regular. It looks really, really nice. It's a cute design, as well as when you play and you're playing for a long time, you got that grip, so it doesn't slide out your hand. If you're getting excited and you're talking, it's easy to wipe off and clean, and it doesn't keep on to that sweatness. So there it go. Xbox controller covers. They come in these colors. They also come for Xbox One and Xbox 360 controllers. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of my things and stuff. If you love games, if you love to play games.